Life takes twists and turns. So, one of my songwriting buddies that we'd written a bunch of songs with Dan Razza from London, England, was over here last summer, and we were touring, and we were going to Asheville, North Carolina. And Lori, my wife, is driving the van, and Lori turns around, Dan's in the back seat, and she smiles and she says, "Hey Dan, buckle up, I want to try something." Dan, being from England, isn't quite sure if that's funny or if he should be scared, and he gives me a look. And he's wondering, who's he following now, right? Well, we look at each other for a second and we think, buckle up. I think that's a song. And so he hands me the mandolin, and 20 minutes later, it was a song. Life takes twists and turns, just want to go with you. There's always something more to learn, just want to go with you. Buckle up, baby, want to try something new. Buckle up, baby, think I'm in love with you. Don't know what lies ahead, just want to go with you. Even the angels fear to tread, just want to go with you. Buckle up, baby, want to try something new. Buckle up, baby, think I'm in love with you. Buckle up, baby, want to try something new. Buckle up, baby, think I'm in love with you. No matter how tough I seem, just want to go with you. Perhaps we'll find our field of dreams, just want to go with you. Buckle up, baby, want to try something new. Buckle up, baby, think I'm in love with you. Think I'm in love, think I'm in love, think I'm in love with you. Hi, thank you. My name's David Easterling. I'm from Oak Ridge. And yeah, that's the first song on my new CD, and I do have CDs here also. But I remember life taking twists and turns when I was a kid. I don't know about you all, but I had a bicycle. And it wasn't one of these bicycles that are sport bikes right now, you know, like cost $1 million, right? Or off-road, dirt road bike things. No, mine was green, and it had a banana seat that sparkled, and I could ride it anywhere. We used to ride up and down the street, jousting. Remember this? Mom put an end to that because she said somebody's going to put an eye out, but we didn't listen. So we got these dishwater bottles, right? And when they were empty, we filled them up with water. And we rode back and forth up and down the street, squirting each other with water, right? And that was a lot of fun until somebody like put chocolate milk and honey in theirs, and well, there's laundry in it, it doesn't come out. I just want to tell you from experience, it doesn't come out. So one time my sister and I were camping, and we were riding bikes, and we were playing follow leader, and we were on trails, right? Horse trails. Switchbacks, horse trails. We were playing follow leader, going back and forth. And everything was fine, and we were pretty good at this. Until all of a sudden, I decided to jump off the trails onto a back road that ran behind the campground at Levi Jackson State Park in London, Kentucky, where we used to camp all the time. So here's the thing that happened. Her blonde hair, which goes down to her back, is streaming out behind her. And we changed places, and I'm leading. But it had rained the night before. And we were on a country road, and you know how a country road's kind of got that little W in it? It's up high in the middle, and it's like depression on both sides. So as we're riding down the road, I look up ahead, and I see on one side of the road, there's 20 or 30 feet of muddy water. And on the other side of the road, there's just a little rut. It's small. This little rut is. So I choose that side of the road. And I jump the little rut, and for some reason, when I jumped the rut, my bike did a little twisty thing, right? And I must have made a sound. Because Sarah told me later on, I made a sound. And that determined her decision of which side of the road to go on. She chose the wrong side, the one with all the mud in it. And so I turn around just in time to hear her scream as her bike gets caught in the quicksand and stops. And she does not. And she flies over the handlebars, flying like Supergirl and landing straight into the mud and sliding across the mud puddle. And I laughed, because that's what brothers do, right? And she looks at me and she stands up, and she's covered from head to toe in mud, and her hair's going like all floppy this way and all floppy that way, and she looks like a giant chocolate Easter bunny. And she has to walk back to the campground like a chocolate Easter bunny. And I laughed all the way back. Because that's what brothers do, right? And when we got close to camp, Mom said, "David, don't you laugh at your sister like that." And I said, "Mom, how am I supposed to laugh at her?" This is what brothers do, right? She gives her a towel and washcloth and sends her out to the shower. And she says, "Honey, you go on over there, and I'll be right there and I'll help you." And then his mom's trying to laugh right when Sarah's not there anymore, because that's what moms do. They know when it's the right time to laugh. When life takes twists and turns, moms know. And hopefully, we figure out who the right person to follow and the right times to laugh. Because life takes twists and turns. I just want to go with you. Thank you all. My name is David Easterling.